Here I've got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select language and keyboard, and click on languages. Here, by tapping on add a language, you can pick some particular language that you would like to apply to your Desire 19 Plus. So just choose the one that you would like to have. It can be Croatian, and pick the region then. Click on OK to save it as a default language. And as you can see, from now on the whole device is in Croatian, so you can smoothly use your phone in this new language. Then whenever you would like to go back to English or change the language again to some other, just open the settings, go to languages and keyboard, select languages, and now you can either swipe English up to make it a default language right now, and as you can see it has been already changed, or you can tap on the more icon and tap on remove to delete permanently other languages, then tap on bin icon and confirm it by tapping on OK. And that would be all. That's how you can very smoothly, quickly and easily change language in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.